This is so chaotic. This is literally the most chaotic thing ever. Okay, I look slightly unhinged, a little crazy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be dyeing my hair and I'm going to be dyeing it honey blonde. So I'm going to be using the Creme of Nature Exotic Shine color with argan oil from Morocco in the color Honey Blonde 10.0. Please excuse the fact that my edges look crusty dusty. I took out some braids and there's like a lot of gunk. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I got my Creme of Nature. So inside of it you got the Creme of Nature cream gel hair color, and oh there's more to it. It's the cream color developer, and then you got the hair color or colorant, whatever. Then you got the conditioning treatment, which this is such a small, like, what am I gonna do with this? And then you got the treatment oil. Okay, so I'm just gonna stab this with the back. That's how you open it, just in case you didn't know. It has this little pointy thing right here. And I'm just gonna squeeze this all in. So close it up, and now we're just gonna cut the tip. Let us begin. So first I have to shake it really well. Okay, so let's start at the front. So that's what we gonna do. So I guess this is my hair. I'm embarrassed. I am coming at the interwebs looking like a gremlin, okay? Wow. Okay, I'm gonna section the back away. Yay. Alright, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. And now I'm just gonna okay, here we go. We're gonna, it says work in 1/2 inch sections. For total color distribution, apply from roots to ends. Okay. Well, here we go. I'm not following instructions, as you can tell. So I'm just gonna apply that. Alright, here we go. No going back. I mean, I can kind of go back. Will I? No. That smells so bad. Oh my god, what am I doing? This is so chaotic. Oh, I realized I dyed my hair before. So if my hair falls out, now we know why. Do I even have enough? Is this gonna be enough? Oh my god. Chaos. Chaos. Chaos energy. And it says to like rub the products in, so that's what I'm trying to do. I'm gonna work it into the roots, because that's what it says. And I'll probably come back to the front. Just gonna work it in. Ooh, it's already changing. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in the twist. Oh, you know what? I shouldn't put it in the twist so it can breathe. So I'm gonna undo the twist on the other side in a second. And by in a second, I mean right now. So the front is going. And now we're gonna work on the back. I'm gonna come back when I'm done with the back. Okay, so I'm done, and you can already see the color is taking. I also think I messed up a little bit. It says further down. That's why you read instructions before you do stuff, because it says further down that you need to leave 1/2 inch from your root. And I just applied it straight on, but hopefully it all works out. It probably won't, knowing how things usually are. But you know, hey, this is a kind of cute hairstyle. I wouldn't mind doing like a wash and go like this. I have a shower cap here, that I am going to use. Just gonna slap it on. Get all the hairs in there. Get in there. There we go. And I'm gonna let that cook for 25 minutes. So yeah, we got 20 minutes on the clock. I'll be back. Okay, so time is officially up, and I'm gonna go rinse it out. But before I shampoo, I actually picked up this Absolute Perfection color sealer from Ion, and so I'm gonna go ahead and use that after I rinse it out. It says not to shampoo first, so I rinse it, then I add this for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna shampoo after that. So I have the Ion color sealer. I'm just gonna add that on. This is like a step 2. Main reason why I came back was because I just wanted to explain it and have it for documentation purposes. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply that onto my hair. It's only rinsed, I haven't shampooed yet, which is what the Ion says. Ugh, I just bit myself. What the Ion thing instructions say, not to shampoo, like I said before. So, wow, that's pretty even actually. I'm very surprised by that. And you might be wondering, but the reason why these parts are like really blonde or brown is because I had them kind of dyed before, so they're just, I guess they just took on a little better. What you're gonna do, right? Then I'm gonna set my timer for 10 minutes and then wash it and come back to you guys with the next steps. Okay, so I just blow dried my hair. This is the color. I really like it. I think it's so cute. I think it goes a lot better with my skin tone and everything. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think. I don't think I'm gonna really do much to change it. I actually quite like it. And I think when my roots grow in, it's gonna be a seamless little blend. So yeah, let's get a full view. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Cute. Alright, let me know in the comments what you think, if you will be trying the Creme of Nature hair dye or whatever. Yeah, bye guys.